Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about some lawn products, some lawn tools from Ego. Ego is the way to go.
It is the best way to go.
Josh doesn't often let me use these when we're trying them out, but I got to use this thing and I really, really liked it. Why don't you tell me about it, Josh?
Pretty neat. So we're going to talk about two products today. We're going to talk about the string trimmer and the backpack blower. Let's get started with the string trimmer. Now what I want to talk about is this has a full carbon fiber shaft now.
Very cool.
This is lifetime warranty, super durable, super light. This is on the 56-volt platform that they're running. Soft touch handle, the lock on the trigger for safety I really like, but where this thing really does shine,
yeah,
I mean the power in these things, they're running brushless motors on these, that's the way to go these days, and the power on this thing is awesome.
But this is cool.
This is it. So what you do is you feed your string through, you cut it, you mark a halfway point, or you can sort of eye it up, get it in there. And then, I recommend doing it with the battery off.
Of course, safety first.
Put the battery on, you come over here, check this out, Will.
Yeah,
There's
so
a little button right here.
Top.
And you can see it's been used from Will.
Ha.
So you hold the button. Is that not cool? Good to go.
Seriously, the headache of changing the string trimmer head it's over.
Is that not cool?
Yeah.
So, and what I love also is they run a 5-year warranty and a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not satisfied after 90 days, Yeah. So let me show you this now. I got the backpack blower, which is really neat too. And what I love is
look at that thing.
It's not gas. It looks gas.
Yeah, it does.
Looks a little spaceshipy. So it runs off battery, 56 volt, 145. It's got a variable speed trigger, 145 to 600 CFM, 145 miles an hour, excuse me. 600 CFM is what it'll pump. It's 8 times quieter than a gas.
Yeah.
It's really, really neat. I had a lot of good luck with it.
That's such a big deal on lawn tools that when you're not running those engines.
Yeah.
And it doesn't smell. It's not noisy. It's light.
You don't have to worry about the gas wrecking stuff. And don't get me wrong, guys. I'm a huge gas guy. But this whole battery thing is really changing my mind, especially for the homeowners. It really is.
Batteries all the way for me. I got a small yard. I don't need all that juice.
Well, homeowners, commercial guys you got using these. That's how good this technology is these days with the brushless mortars. So this has the adjustable cone on it, which is really nice too. Longer, shorter. So like for shorter people. Or for longer people. So, and then also it's got the padded straps, the buckles. This thing, admit it, it's super comfortable, vented. You don't get all hot. I've got a backpack blower. It gets hot, but it's I've been super, super impressed with this.
Cool. So what do they cost? String trimmer?
So string trimmer is going to cost you $229. You can pick it up at the Home Depot, and they stock them. Most of them.
With battery?
With the battery and the charger. Can you believe that? That's not a bad price. No. And you got carbon fiber and auto reel head. Huge.
Yep, so $229 for the string trimmer.
Yes, and then you're going to pay $299 for the backpack blower. Now the string trimmer comes with a 2.5 amp battery, and then the backpack blower comes with a 5 amp battery. This gives you that long endurance for blowing a lot of leaves, whatever you're doing. Turbo button it's got on it. They did a really, really good job.
So Ego Long Tools, I got a whole bunch of them that are available on the 56 volt platform. Check them out. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.